something missing that goes right here. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Mo's Garage. Today we're going to be installing some side mirrors on the RZR. Mirrors are another way that you can save some money a little bit. Good example is this mirror here. I got installed at the dealership when I bought the machine, and it was like 80 bucks. They gave me a little bit of a discount and the mirror turned out to be 80 bucks. If you look at Amazon, you could get the same kind of mirror 16 bucks. So the mirrors that we're installing today, these side view mirrors I got from Amazon, and I paid a total of $28. They're breakaway mirrors, which means you can fold them in that, shatterproof, you know, basically the same thing you'd get at the dealership, but at a much cheaper price. So, simple little thing to install, but I'll show you how to do it, and let's get to it. So the mirrors come in a box like this. They're labeled left and right. This one's here is the right side for the right side of the machine. So it comes with two different types of clamps for, I'm assuming, probably a 2-inch pipe and a 1.5 or 1 3/4. Anyways, this is the one we're going to use for our roll bar here. So this one you can just throw down in here. You've got the one rubber that's got the nice little finish on it. So that just slides in here. Like so. And it gives you a nice little edge. Like this. Top and bottom. Alright. There's some extra pieces of rubber because when you put these on, chances are sometimes it might be a little loose, so you add some rubber and it'll make it tighter. So we'll just leave that out here. Next thing we pull out is the bolts to attach it in. Just takes 2. And then we've got the mirror itself, which looks like this, and you know, you can turn it. There's a screw in here to adjust it, to either loosen it off so you can bend it a bit or tighten it up so that it's not so easy to flip back. And there's also an Allen screw here, and that's so you can adjust, because when you put the mirror on, it might be angled too far down, so you can just loosen off the Allen screw and pull it over a little bit and it flips it back. So that's just little adjustments to make. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to figure out roughly where we're going to put this. There's 2 sides to this too. Couple washers. Alright, so there's 2 sides to it. One side, this part here, will slide in nice and easy. Slides in, and then your screw will screw into here. It only goes in one way, you can't fit it in this way. So the shaft is thicker, the hole is here, bigger for the shaft to slide in. So, and in my case, I want that to be from underneath. I want to slide the shaft up here like this. So I will pop off the glass here a little bit just to give myself some room. Stretch this out a little bit. rubber in place, and it's moved. There we go. I'm not gonna lie, I installed the driver's side already so that I wouldn't look like a complete idiot trying to install this and having it not work right. And what I found from the other side is I had to cut a piece of rubber to slide it in to give it more of a bite when it tightens it up so it doesn't move. So I'm going to insert that in there now. Just going to slide that in. Actually, it doesn't even have to be that long. I'll just put a smaller piece in. Just gives it more of a circumference to sit on, so when you tighten it, I'll keep the adjustment of the window the same as the other side. See, and cut this a little smaller, because like I said, you don't need a very big piece. You just want it to have a bigger, to make it tighter around the, I'll just move this out of the way just a little bit so it's out of the way. Now the other part is your adjustment. Now the mirror sits like this, which isn't bad, but let's see if we can improve that. So you just take the Allen screw and loosen it off, and then this you can pull like that and adjust it whatever you need. See, if I turn it like this, and I come to put it on, now the mirror is facing down. It's got quite a bit of adjustment, so it's not bad. You can get it just pretty much where you want it. And I think, nope, went the wrong way. There, this would be good. So, we'll see that. Tighten this back up. Mirror goes in. Okay. We'll do the other one. Yeah, it's nice and tight. Now, you've got a bit of adjustment here too, underneath. So to adjust the screw underneath here, it's a 10mm nut. That's good. You don't want it too tight. I'm thinking you hit a branch or something as you're driving by, you know, it'll easily knock it over. which is pretty much what you want. You just don't want it shaken too much where it gets to the, you can't see nothing out of it. And that's it. Besides minor little tweaking, getting in the seat and adjusting it for yourself, well, driver's seat I should say. That's pretty much it, guys. So that's it, guys. That's how you install the side mirrors on the RZR. Couple bolts, a little bit of tightening here and there, adjustment, and that's it. Nice little simple add-ons that you can add on to your machine for cheap. I mean, 30 bucks and you got some mirrors instead of paying maybe 100 at the dealer. So guys, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. If you like what you see, like it, it helps, and share it. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next one.